Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by verifying the quick prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, make sure your browser is up to date. Outdated code often triggers refused connections. Once done, disable extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools because they can block auth frames. Then open an incognito or guest window to rule out profile corruption. If accounts, Google. Com loads there, you've isolated the problem to extensions or profile data. So don't waste time, move to the next slide for cleanup steps. Now you perform the deeper fixes that actually resolve blocked frames and handshake failures. Clear cookies and site data for accounts. Google, Com and Google. Com to remove stale auth tokens, this forces a fresh connection. Next, flush DNS cache or reboot your router, and if needed, set DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8, 8, 8 to avoid ISB issues. Finally, check firewall, antivirus web shields, and browser site permissions. Make sure third-party security. You're in the final phase. Confirm the fix and use a fallback if needed. Create a new browser profile or fully reinstall the browser when corruption persists. This resets hidden settings. Also try another device or tether via a mobile hotspot to determine whether your local network is the culprit. If sign-in works elsewhere, reset router and network equipment. As a key troubleshooting tip, use a fresh Chrome or Edge profile to complete sign-in. If that works, migrate bookmarks and settings rather than chasing obscure extension conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.